Hello, today is Monday, and let's follow up with last week's conversation on just how much life insurance is enough with the case study. Our case study will be Somebody Great, a 40-year-old non-smoking male. And this principle can be applied to a female too, or it can be applied to a household where there is joint income and both incomes are necessary to maintain this household. So let's take a look at this example. So here we have a standard life and needs analysis form that I have used for many years with my clientele. Notice that we have Somebody Great. He's a male, born January 1, 1980, makes him 40 years old. He's a non-smoker. He estimates funeral bills will be about $5,000. Unpaid medical bills shouldn't be more than $81.50, and short-term credit card debts and things of that nature of $13,000. He has a mortgage balance of $185,000, property taxes of $10,000 a year. We'll multiply that times 120. You could use another figure if you choose. Some people might go as much as 180, but that's 120 months, giving $120,000 to cover the property taxes. He has student loans that he owes right now of $27,000, but if he were to perish, he would want his wife to have $50,000 to be re-educated. He's got two kids, and he wants them to each have $100,000 or $50,000, totaling $100,000 for their education fund. He would like $50,000 in the emergency fund. That's in case the house needs to have emergency work done on it, need a new car, something of that nature. He would also like his spouse to have an $8,000 a month income, which would total $96,000. For retirement, he would like his spouse to have $250,000 in the bank with a $5,000 a month income totaling $600,000. The total estimated needs based upon this client's figures would be $1,504,150. Seems like a lot of money, doesn't it? An appropriate life needs analysis would also take into consideration assets he currently has. He has $40,000 in the bank, $120,000 in securities. He's got life insurance of one times income of $96,000 from work, plus he also has a separate $50,000 whole life policy, and he has $310,000 in a retirement account, totaling assets of $616,000. If he were to perish, there would be $1,500 a month coming in from Social Security, or $180,000 on this example right here. So total, he would have a good bit of money already to help compensate for that $1.5 million in need. Now, let's take a look at a quote for life insurance for this gentleman. We're going to use Transamerica, John Hancock, and Prudential. Next, let's add waiver of premium. That will guarantee that if something happens and he becomes disabled, there will be the benefit. This is a premium of just $14.96. The total monthly cost for this insurance policy is quoted at $56.20. That is nothing in today's marketplace. So, as you can see, Somebody Great for just $56.20 a month to cover the needs to protect his spouse and two children. That's not a whole lot of money today. How would you spend $56.20? Most people probably wouldn't even know where that money goes. If you're worried about having enough life insurance for your loved ones, or if you are a loved one and worried that the person that you financially depend upon does not have enough life insurance, give me a call. Our number is at the bottom of the screen, and so is my email. We'll be more than happy to work through a needs analysis for you and come up with an appropriate quote for life insurance.